Now after the food particle which is ready for sale, before that it is analyzed by the chemist in the laboratories whether the law, according to the law, only those prescribed things are being added to the food particles or not, because after this analysis has been done, only the food particle is being allowed to go to the market for sale. The clause laid down by this act states that a food is considered adulterated. So again we'll just do the gist part of it, that when the food is adulterated, what all things it is being done. It is not the nature, substance and quality which the food ought to be. The nature of the food and the substance and the quality of the food has to be maintained. If a food contains or processing has produced it is injurious ingredients, we have to be very careful that the injurious ingredients should not be added to the food material. If it contains added inferior or cheaper substance, the cheaper substance should never be added because it has no a nutritional value also. Any constituent has been removed from it partly or wholly. We have to be very careful. We have to see that the particles which are being going to be removed from the food, it should be whether it is wholly or partly. A little part of the good material is being removed or whole part of it. If it is infested by insect, worms and weevils, we have to see whether the food particles are stored in a conditions which is good and sanitary and packed and prepared in a good environment. And it is also being said that it should be seen that it is not infested by insects, worms and weevils. We have to be very careful where it is stored so that this may not be infested by these insects. It is obtained from diseased animals. We have to be careful, whatever requirement we have, it should be seen that it is coming from the animals which are not diseased. If it contains or its container renders is poisonous and injurious to health. And we have to also see that in the container in which it is the food particles are being kept, it should not be of poisonous covering. They should have which is injurious to health. The container should be absolutely of good material, and it contains excessive or prohibited preservatives, colors, and should not be containing excessive of prohibited colors and preservatives. Only that much amount should be added which is required or given by the law of the government. If it does not satisfy all standard prescribed by the authorities, it should be according to the, it should be only gone, this it should be only allowed to go to the market for sale after it is the analysis part is being done by the government officials. Okay. Okay, here are some few tests given for the detection of food adulteration. Children, it is your homework for Saturday and Sunday that you have to go through this table of the test being done, what particles are being added to test the particle, whether it is good or not. You can go through this table nicely, and if you have any problem, we'll discuss it. Okay. At the same time, I will be giving you one more link in which for food materials you'll see in that what materials can be added to it to see whether the food is being adulterated or not. Okay. Then some common food adulteration, like here argemone seeds. It is mixed with mustard seeds. This argemone seed, it is mixed with mustard seed, and it is very similar to mustard seeds. But as if you have seen mustard seed, it is very smooth texture. But this argemone seed, it is the texture is little rough. Toxic in form of oil and seed, contains two alkaloids obtained from poppy plants, closely resembles mustard seed but surface is rough and uneven and has tail at one end. सरफेस रफ होता है और एक एंड पे थोड़ी छोटी सी टेल होती है, और ये पॉपी जो प्लांट्स की जो सीड्स होते हैं उसको भी इसमें ले लेते हैं. और दिस शुड नॉट बी डन बिकॉज जो मस्टर्ड ऑयल जो है वी गेट ऑयल ऑफ इट. जो ऑयल होता है वो जो इफ़ इट इज़ दिस आजमंड सीड्स आर बीइंग mixed with mustard seeds, what will happen, the oil which we get from it, it is not at all good, it is being adulterated. एंड वो जो उससे डिजीज़ क्या होती है, बेरी बेरी, गैस्ट्रोइंटेस्टिनल डिस्टर्बेंस. बेरी बेरी इज़ व्हाट, स्किन डिजीज़, स्किन में प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है, गैस्ट्रो इंटेस्टिनल डिस्टर्बेंस हो जाते हैं, फीवर होता है, रैशेस, स्वेलिंग फीट में और लेग में, enlargement of liver, blindness, cancer, cardiac arrest. You can make out कि how bad it is. It is so bad, it is so unhealthy for our body that we get diseases of so many these types. Then lathyrus, that is kesari dal. I told you about kesari dal. It is added with pulses like masoor, black gram, chana dal, besan as its staple food for low income group. Actually, the people who comes from a low income group, they usually have this dal because it is a little cheap to it. But this dal is not at all healthy, not good for health, and at times people add this dal to other dal, and then it is adulteration, because this dal is not good, it is healthy. And you can see what all we can have if we use this dal. Like its effect is, due to this effect, paralysis of lower limbs, stiffness in knee joints, pain in ankle and knee joints. So because of this dal we get so many ailments because of this. Then toxic coloring. Color introduces variety and makes it look attractive and appetizing. Many times we see things very colorful, very nice, very appealing to eyes, not knowingly that the color which they have used, it is not at all healthy and good for the health. Usually people use these colors in ice cream, dairy products, biscuits, pastries, jelly and custard to make it very appealing and appealing. Not permitted color, lead chromate and yellow earth dyes, पीला रंग जिसको बोलते हैं मेथनिल, rhodamine B red. ये सारी चीज़ें जो हैं when we add to these things, biscuits and bakery products and ice creams and so many other products, what happened? This should not be used because it is making the things adulterated. At the same time, it is making them unhealthy for our body. It is also being used in dal, sweet meals like jalebis and laddus. You must have seen in the market that in many places jalebis, the color of jalebi and color of laddu is very very dark. Means the color which has been used, it is not the required amount which they should have used, and that's why it is giving you such a dark color. And halwa and red chili also. Red chili also, must have seen in red chili many a times it looks very very, gives a very bright red color. So it means the color, it is in red chili they have used color which they shouldn't have done. Effect, इसका effect से क्या होता है? Abnormalities of bones, eyes, skin, lungs, ovaries, mental retardation. So you can see कि what all not can happen because of all this. So we have to be very very careful what things we are using, because it might create a big problem for our health. Then common toxic colors: maternal yellow, ice candy, faluda, you must have seen yellow color which is being used. Orange in halwa, rhodamine B, red chilies, papad and churan. In all these churan and red chili, the color, the red rhodamine B जो यूज़ करते हैं, you should not be used. Blue VRS sweets, ब्लू कलर का एक VRS होता है जो स्वीट्स में डालते हैं, that should not be used. Oramine sugar coated सौंफ, सुपारी, ये सब सौंफ और सुपारी वगैरह में this color is being using. Aramine sugar should not be used. And then malachite green coconut. ये ग्रीन कलर का भी एक कलर होता है जो कि हम कोकोनट को में यूज़ कर लेते हैं, उसको बहुत ग्रीन सा दिखा देते हैं. तो these are the things which should not be used because it is not at all healthy for our body. Okay children, now please go through these things, whatever adulteration is being used in the market, have a survey to it, and you'll come to know. At the same time, I'll be sharing a link with you. Go through that link and you'll come to know how people do the adulteration. Okay, so this completes your adulteration. You can go through the chapter nicely, and if you have any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.